Today we're introducing you to ChatGPT, a revolutionary language model that can have a conversation with you like you're talking to a real person. Whether you need answers to questions or help creating software, ChatGPT can do it all. This powerful AI technology is already making waves in the online community, and the best part is that it's currently available to use for free. So why not explore the possibilities and learn how to make money with ChatGPT? Join us as we delve into this exciting new technology. Number 1. ChatGPT can be used as a Linux terminal. Possibly one of the coolest things you can get OpenAI ChatGPT to do is to pretend it's a fully functioning Linux terminal. You can even use Linux commands, create files and directories, and a lot more. Heck, you can even write and compile code within the terminal, and execute it if you want. Number 2. Write and sell articles. The first way you can make money using this AI bot is to sell different articles. You can go to different websites, including listverse.com, that pay for sharing articles on. For example, facts about a certain subject, and you can actually get paid up to $100 per article, which can be like 1,000 words. Of course, you need to come up with something unique, and you could just ask ChatGPT to write an article about this, and that, if you can, just submit the article to listverse.com and potentially get paid $100 for this article. There are lots of such different websites that you can use to make money online by writing articles, and you don't have to do it yourself because this AI bot will actually do it for you. Number 3. Translation service. Localization is crucial for the success of any app or software in the market. Utilizing ChatGPT for translation is a great way to provide a service to many businesses. There's no need to copy and paste in Google Translate anymore. As a developer, you don't need to extract or put the text in Excel for translation purposes. Just copy the language JSON file and ask ChatGPT to translate it. This service typically charges a few cents per word for translations. With the ability to generate a significant amount of translation in a short period, there is currently no limit to the amount of translation that can be accomplished using this method. Number 4. Participate in the business name contests. Another way you can use ChatGPT to make money online is with a website called namingforce.com. It is a platform where new businesses and companies come to find business name ideas. What they'll do is they'll run a contest where they'll pay up to $300 for the best name submitted, and all you have to do is submit different names. And if one of your name ideas gets accepted, you're going to be paid hundreds of dollars for it. In the winners section, you can see all of these people making hundreds of dollars, even $500 for a single name. So again, what you need to do is you can go to ChatGPT and just ask it to give you some name suggestions for a business, and then it will probably list a couple of different names which you can use. Choose the best one delivered by the AI bot, and then you could potentially get paid hundreds of dollars if the name wins the contest. Number 5. YouTube automation. One way to make money using ChatGPT is by using the platform to automate specific tasks on YouTube. YouTube advertising is quite effective and can generate a lot of revenue. ChatGPT can be used to comment on other videos in your niche, which can help drive traffic to your channel and increase visibility. Number 6. For affiliate marketing. The best way to make money is through affiliate marketing, which is also one of the simplest internet companies to launch. In any niche, ChatGPT will provide the content for you. So that software can simplify the life of affiliate marketers. Using ChatGPT, users can answer a lot of questions on the site, which will increase traffic to their website and possibly lead to more sales of their affiliate products. Chatbots can help you build trust between you and your audience by only providing relevant information when a customer asks for it. This in turn engages customers by providing instant support whenever it's needed, even when you can't. This makes it much more seamless when addressing frequent questions, while also freeing up your time for other important activities. As soon as your chatbot sees a relevant query, it can answer it with an affiliate link in response. Chatbots can recognize keywords in the remarks of customers and offer links that solve their queries. For example, if a chatbot recognizes that certain keywords, like say, protein powder, in a customer query, it can then provide a relevant link to an affiliate. A chatbot can help you understand your audience by keeping track of their product interests, their likes, and their dislikes. Inquisitive creatures that they are, chatbots can ask questions and conduct surveys to hone in on individual tastes and preferences. Once this is collected for many customers, it becomes invaluable data-driven insight about trends and product performance. Number 7. Construct software tools. ChatGPT can construct software tools, even simple ones. The user does not need to be familiar with programming or coding. Simply tell ChatGPT what they want, and it will build it for them. Number 8. Copywriting. ChatGPT can write your copy for you as well, and you may use ChatGPT to produce quality copy for your customers. Providing copywriting services to businesses is the simplest way to make money using ChatGPT. You can use ChatGPT to generate high-quality, unique content for your blog or website, and then monetize it through advertising or affiliate marketing. Many companies need help creating compelling copy for their products and services, and may need more resources or expertise in-house. By offering copywriting services, you can help businesses create engaging and effective scripts to help them achieve their goals. However, you'll need strong writing skills and an understanding of what makes chatbot copy effective. You may also need to familiarize yourself with the specific requirements and goals of each business you work with, and the features and capabilities of ChatGPT. Keep exploring unique ways to interact with the chatbot from YouTube, articles, Twitter, Facebook, and many other platforms. With the right skills and expertise, you can use ChatGPT to create high-quality copy that will help businesses succeed with their products and services. GPT-3 uses a neural network to predict what text should come next in any given sentence. Instead of words, it uses semantic tokens, which allow its language models to more easily assign meaning and predict plausible follow-on text. Many words map to single tokens, though longer and more complex words often break down into multiple tokens. On average, tokens are roughly 4 characters long. It is particularly helpful if you feel like you're better at writing long-form content than catchy headlines or ad copy. That's me, so I used it to generate some ideas to promote my newsletter. Though AI cannot write equivalent to the writer, ChatGPT can assist you write content in a shorter time when you're using it as an AI copywriter. You can generate any content that you can think of. Another reason why ChatGPT is so powerful is that it allows you to personalize your content. Number 9. ChatGPT generates high-quality content for digital marketing. ChatGPT can be significantly effective in developing high-quality marketing content for your social media or email marketing campaigns. Creating personalized content for your digital marketing is one way to provide value to your customers without spending more time and money. ChatGPT can help you create tailored marketing messages for specific target audiences. And with personalized content, you can significantly increase your chances of making a tremendous impact on your prospects' purchasing decisions. So there is a huge potential that this tool can significantly improve the efficiency and effectiveness of your content marketing efforts by helping you create quality content at scale. Thus, you can save time and resources that you can rededicate to other critical areas of your business. You could start a service on Fiverr selling product descriptions. A very easy way to go and make money is with this AI bot. And as you can see, these guys are making money. Sign up on Fiverr and offer different product description services. You can get this AI chatbot to create those descriptions and sell them on Fiverr.com. If you look on Fiverr, people have reviewed and they are selling these specific e-commerce store product descriptions. Number 10. Earn money as a blogger. Gig workers can earn money blogging, engaging in other SEO strategies, and ranking highly on Google to attract visitors that will enable them to monetize their content through advertising, sponsored content, and other means. ChatGPT is the newest trend in the 2023 market. You can write a blog and shine your blogging platform. In conclusion, ChatGPT is not just a powerful tool that offers numerous opportunities for making money. It is also a boon for gig workers, as it can present to you any query you ask for, unless it's unethical. With its advanced natural language processing capabilities, it will help you create engaging and compelling content that will attract and retain customers. That'll be all for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't, and hit the notification bell so you get an update whenever we upload any video. Thank you for staying tuned. See you in the next video.